Start. Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed decimal to binary conversion. In this video, we'll learn about decimal fraction to binary number. Decimal fraction means, for example, 17.25. This is our fractional, decimal with fractional. And the base of this is 10. Why 10? Because this number is decimal number. And what we want to calculate? We want to find out question mark here binary. What? Binary. So binary base is 2. So in last class we already learned how to calculate 17 in binary. The simple divide method. Use 2. 2 8 just 16. Remainder 1. Again 2. 2 4 ja 8. Remainder 0. Again 2. 2 2 ja 4. Remainder 0. 2 1 ja 2. And remainder 0. And this is our remainder 1. We already learned about this. And this is our remainder 2, and this one is our remainder 3, and this is our remainder 4, and this one is our remainder 5. But how to calculate 0.25? How to convert 0.25 in binary? Just write down. For example, we do the calculation here. Just write down here 0.25, and after the value of point you can multiply with the base, and our base is 2, so you can multiply with 2. 2 5 ja 10, carry 1, 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5, so nothing is there, so you can write here 0. We have already learned about this. 0 have value here, so you can just write down the 0. After that you can again multiply with 2, and you can just multiply after the decimal value. You don't multiply now with that 0, you can just multiply with 5 last. 2 0 0, 2 5 ja 10, and you can put decimal here, and you can multiply till last these values are not 0. When your values are 0, then your calculation is completed here. And now how to write your answer? So first you can write down your remainder number 1 here. This is 1. Then you can write down remainder number 4, and this is your 0. Then you can write down your remainder number 3. Again this is your 0. Then you can write down your remainder 2. This is your 0. Then you can write down remainder number 1. This is your 1 here. After that you can write here decimal point here, and now you can start from the above. From this method you can start the answer, written answer you have from your bottom to top. Here you can write your answer top to bottom, and this is your answer, this one and your this one. So first you can write down here your 0, and after that you can write down this one here, and this is your binary number. So how you can write your answer? You can write here 17.25 decimal is equal to 10001.011. Clear everyone? We take one more example here. For example, now my value is 0.625, and this is my decimal number, and we want to convert it into binary. So you can just write down here 0.625 multiply with 2, and again you can multiply here. 2 5 ja 10, carry 1, 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5, 2 6 ja 12. So write the point here. After that you can again multiply with 2, 2 0 0, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5, nothing is, then you can write down here 0. Then again you can multiply with 2. Don't multiply this value don't multiply with the 1, just you can multiply after the decimal value. So you can again multiply with 2 0 0, 2 0 0, 2 5 ja 10. So these all are 0, these all are 0. So your answer is completed here, your calculation is completed. So this is your number 1, this is your number 2, and this is your number 3 here. So how you can write your answer here? So start bracket, then you can write dot. First you can write down 1 here, after that you can write down 0, after that you can write down again 1 here, and this is your binary. So how you can write your answer? Dot 625 decimal equivalent to 0.101 in binary. Clear everyone? So this is our decimal fraction to binary conversion. So here decimal to binary conversion is completed. In next class we learn about the decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal conversion.